Alright guys, well, sorry about not talking or saying anything for this whole video so far. Guys, I've just been hustling, man. I just want to get this car done. But we're close, and I just want to update you guys with a couple little things so far that have gone down. Obviously, you guys saw we put the sealer on there, and we just went ahead and put the base coat on there. So I've never actually sprayed sealer before, so it was very actually cool to try it out and see the benefits, and there are benefits for sure. Definitely excited that I've tried it, because now I'm pretty much going to use that on every other project that we go ahead and do. So obviously the car is in there. We're about to go ahead and lay the clear coat. It's looking really good. Let me go ahead and show you guys. The sealer came out good. The reason why I did that is just, you know, you guys can look up like how-tos and all that stuff, but today, this video, we're not doing that just because of, oh god, we need a light, just because of, you know, time frame, and I'm just trying to jam this out for you guys. So hopefully you're enjoying the content. I don't know if it's exciting or interesting, but here's the car now. This color is a factory color, Mediterranean blue. That's what this car originally was. Only 480 cars ever, 240s ever, were in this color. So it's super rare. It looks really good. A lot of metallic. A lot of metallic. If you guys follow me on Instagram, you'll see I post a bunch of stories throughout the day, and you will see just in the light, man, this thing's gonna be shining. So this is 3 coats with 1 uniform coat, and it's looking really good. Pretty excited. I don't see any modeling. I don't see any tire striping. It should come out really nice. So I'm gonna go ahead. I'll show you guys all the products that I use here in a minute. I just want to get this done. Honestly, I just want to know that I'm done with it. So, Woody, what's up, bub? So let's get some clear coat on this thing. Of course, it's literally almost dead. After you, please.
Dang. Oh my god.
This is actually the first time I'm seeing it afterwards. So I told you guys I was gonna let you know what materials I was using. Sorry about the mess. I know I really just gotta clean up this whole shop. I'm probably gonna do that here pretty soon. But starting off with the primer, taking it back. This is the primer I'm using. It's a 2K urethane. You know, there really wasn't any exposed bare metal on the thing, so we went ahead and just used the urethane. If you have a lot of bare metal, use an etching primer. But this is a 2K primer mixed with a hardener. We sanded that, and then we hit it with a sealer, which our sealer is over here. It's a black sealer, obviously. Let me see if I can get you guys a part number on it. iTech, oh god, 77850 or 77850. It's a 1K primer sealer. Worked really, really good. And then as far as the base coat, the color code is BP3. It's Mediterranean blue, and like I said, only about 480 240s were sprayed in that color, so pretty rare. This is a 2-to-1 ratio. You want to go ahead and reduce it with some for us, we use a slow reducer. It's just nice if you got a big job, use a nice slow reducer. Gives you a little bit more time to have the paint wet and not kind of get overspray on some sections. Moving on to the clear coat, we actually use this stuff right here, Euromax Vantage High Solids clear coat. It's a 575. works out pretty well. This is also a 2-to-1, and the hardener over here is as well a slow hardener, 578 advantage. So yeah, that's the materials. Again, huge shout out to Paul's for everything you guys see here. They've been our paint supplier for the whole time that the shop's been running. So huge shout out to them. Without them, this would not be possible, man. So huge thank you. And if you guys are local, or even not local, go ahead and hit them up, and maybe you guys can get some paint mixed up, sent out to you. I don't know if they do shipping as far as stuff like that goes, but I know you can. So maybe, you know, hit them up. Worst they say is no, but either way, tell them I sent you. Maybe they'll give you a deal. So here we are. Yesterday I did not film anything, even though I probably should have. I was just going ahead and fixing up a bunch of little dents that I found, and so we got them all taken care of. As you can see, we pretty much have everything in here that we need to go ahead and paint besides the KBD Body Kit. We're gonna do that in a whole separate video where we just like paint it and fit it. Shout out to KBD again, major love to you guys. We actually have a couple of Austin's bumpers in here. We're gonna go ahead and seal these. Twin Z rear design bumper, J-spec front. So we got the trunk, we got the front fenders, we got the doors for the 240. I'm about to go ahead and bring in the door handles and the gas door. Go ahead and seal all this up and get it painted here today. So it should be coming along pretty well. I'm excited. Hopefully you guys are digging the progress. Man, at this point today, you have like 12 days left, and I don't even know when the video goes up. It's probably gonna be around like 9 or 8. So check out the merch, guys. Every $5 you spend earns you one chance to win this car, and $1,000 cash flight out here. It's gonna be a really cool time to come hang out, and we'll have some fun. So let's go ahead and get sealing, right? I'm just gonna say priming. It's already primed. Let's go ahead and get sealed. All right, well, it's all flashed off, and you guys can see, I mean, this looks real. I love the way the sealer looks. It just looks so good. Makes panels look really nice too. Obviously we got Austin's bumpers looking incredible. Then we have our parts, and we also forgot to mention we're doing obviously door handles. Obviously can't forget those little pieces. Everything is coming out epic, so let's go ahead and start mixing up some base coat. Alright guys, well, sorry about the booth being so loud, but you guys know how it is. Everything is looking really good. You got the base coat all done underneath the doors. I mean, it's all looking so legit. Now, I just want to give you guys some tips. If you experience some blotchiness, like you look at the panel, and you can see some blotchiness in the color, all you really need to do is go ahead and lay down one more nice coat on that panel, and it should go away if you lay it down correctly. So I had to do that on this one door. It's all looking super nice and even now, no blotchiness, perfect. Now, I will be honest guys, I see a tiny little dent right there. and a tiny little dent right there. So we're gonna go ahead and paintless dent remove those dents. They should be very easy just because they're just right behind here. We'll be able to do that ourselves. So no filler going in the fenders, no filler in that fender. This is looking really good also. Everything is coming out really nice, guys. So I'm about to go ahead and lay down the clear coat, and like I said, I will give you guys a full rundown on all the materials and the products that I used after it's all done, because I just want this to be done. So let's get it. See if you guys can see all that metallic in there. So it's pretty cool. And yeah, man, I'm still learning. I think I'm slowly improving every time. I really, like I said, want to get a clear coat dedicated gun with a nice like 1.1 tip. I was using a 1.3 at the moment, spraying at 31 PSI with the clear coat. The trunk also came out really good, and we're gonna go ahead and just polish these things up, cut them down a little bit. We're not gonna wet sand, there's really no need. They look really good already. We'll just go ahead and cut them down a little bit with a polisher, and we'll toss like some ceramic coating on the car, so it's gonna be epic. So yeah, like I said, the trunk came out really nice. Like a couple little dust nibs in there, but that's fine. Those should buff out. Door handles, gas cap, pretty dang minty. So there's just so much work to do and so little time, and I'm bummed because you guys won't be able to see the car. Well, I'm trying to get this car complete before the giveaway ends. That way, you know, we can get some promos and like some really cool content of the whole car complete, as opposed to just seeing it in parts. Polishing and cutting some of this will make the finish look a whole lot nicer as well. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, kind of let you know what's up. Fenders came out awesome. A couple little dings that I'm gonna go ahead and do some paintless dent repair on. I have a kit that I want to try out. So that's that. But now you guys can see I got the KA on the stand. I just did a compression test on this thing earlier today, and honestly, really surprised. But then again, I'm not surprised because KAs they just last forever, honestly, if taken care of properly. This had 170 to 180 PSI on all four. I have pictures, I'll pop them up on the screen or something like that now, so you guys can see. Very, very awesome. Good to see that this is in good condition. So next episode, you guys will see, we'll start doing the whole probably tear down and stripping, cleaning, and preparation to put this back in. We'll probably maybe do the valve cover in that video coming up, but there's a lot more to do, obviously, before we get to the valve cover. But for today, that's gonna be it, I think. The car, as you guys can see, looking just incredible. I mean, the lighting it just looks so good. But hope you guys are excited. It's finally coming together, and we're in the time crunch, man. Body kit, actually, body kit video is probably what you guys may see next. I don't know. We have a lot of stuff coming. Expect videos coming out way quicker than once a week because we are in the time crunch, and we're gonna get this thing done as soon as possible. Have a lot of parts to go on. So stay tuned, guys. Thanks again. Get your entries, link below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
Thank you.